This is a tutorial for the Innovation Club sign-up sheet. So once I've clicked into the sign-up sheet, the first thing I'm going to do is under participants up here at the top, I'm going to type my name, as you see I already did, as if I'm a student. So if you are a student, that's what you would do. So I'm just doing an example here. So I type Maureen Connell, and then over here I typed in my email address. And I'm pretending Mr. Karen is my RTI teacher, so I put his email address. And then I would scroll down farther, and this is the actual sign-up sheet. As you see, you may sign up for a spot up to 1 day, so 24 hours in advance. And you just need to type your first and last name under one of the 10 spots for the day you want to participate. So, going down further, say I want to sign up for tomorrow, since today is Monday, April 22nd, I could sign up for tomorrow, and I'm going to type my name in spot 1 since it's open, and that's it. So I'm signed up for that spot, and then if another student clicks on, they can sign up for spot 2, and all the way to spot 10 over here. So once all 10 spots are full, that day is full for that day, and no more students can sign up. But the next day, I could go in if I wanted to sign up again. Once it's tomorrow morning, I could sign up for the 24th if I wanted to sign up for the 24th. So that's it.